Guangzhou Glory Garment Accessories Company Limited is located in the world's largest garment accessories wholesale base, Guangzhou City. The company is a collection of sales, design, mold manufacturing, die casting, polishing, electroplating, spray paint, packaging, one-stop clothing accessories export enterprises. The company has more than 60 employees, with a scientific and complete quality management system. Has a strong design and development capabilities. The company's main products are all kinds of metal buttons, leather labels, metal labels, belt buckles, zippers, ribbons and other products, widely used in handbags, bags, leather, clothing, hats, gifts, handicrafts and other products. We attach great importance to the quality of our products, and our products meet European environmental standards in electroplating, wear resistance, breaking strength and other tests. Since the establishment of the company, through a high standard of assessment, scientific and standard management, high level of training, brought up a large number of design, development and sales professionals. We have established a large customer group and partners in more than 50 countries around the world, and have won the recognition of customers, with high-quality products, reasonable prices and perfect after-sales service, and won a great reputation in the industry. We always adhere to the customer-first business philosophy, in line with the principle of mutual benefit, so that our products sell well all over the world. We sincerely welcome the cooperation of new and old customers. We will certainly live up to your trust.